Weather Service in Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Central Cook County in northeastern Illinois until 3:15 p.m. At 2:48 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Stickney, or over Midway Airport, moving northeast at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will be near Chicago, Cicero, West Town, Austin, South Lawndale, Chicago Lawn, Bridgeport, Englewood, Chicago Loop, and Northerly Island around 2:55 p.m. Navy Pier, near North Side, and Hyde Park around 3 p.m. Lincoln Park around 3:05 p.m. Other locations impacted by the severe thunderstorm include West Lawn, West Englewood, North Center, Greater Grand Crossing, West Garfield Park, Oakland, West Elston, Avondale, North Lawndale, and Lower West Side. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. This is NOAA.